Welcome to Nature with Aristotle, where we delve into the fascinating world of the natural sciences. Today, we're going to explore one of the most enigmatic and intriguing creatures in the deep sea, the vampire squid. To start, let's define what a vampire squid is. This mysterious animal is a type of cephalopod related to octopuses and squids, but with some remarkable differences. It's found in the oxygen-poor waters of the eastern Pacific Ocean, where the sunlight barely reaches. The vampire squid has a pair of retractable, thread-like filaments that it uses to capture prey, as well as a unique ability to turn its skin into a cloak of darkness by expanding its skin cells to cover its bioluminescent spots. The vampire squid has been fascinating scientists for decades, and its evolutionary history is still not fully understood. It's believed to have originated over 300 million years ago, during the early Jurassic period. The first scientific documentation of the vampire squid was in 1903 by German zoologist Carl Chun, who described it as a creature from the abyss. From a scientific perspective, the vampire squid is classified as Vampiroteuthis infernalis, which translates to inhabitant of the underworld. It's a deep-sea dweller that thrives in environments with low oxygen levels, where other animals would struggle to survive. The vampire squid has a unique set of adaptations that allow it to conserve energy and survive in this challenging environment. For example, it has a slow metabolism, which helps to reduce its energy needs, and it can also use its bioluminescent spots to communicate with other vampire squids. One of the most fascinating aspects of vampire squid biology is its ability to use bioluminescence to communicate. By flashing patterns of light on its body, a vampire squid can signal aggression, courtship, or even warning calls to potential predators. This complex language is still not fully understood, but researchers believe that it may play a crucial role in the social interactions of these animals. In fact, studies have shown that vampire squids are able to recognize individual members of their species and even form long-term bonds. In terms of ecological relationships, the vampire squid plays a vital role in the deep-sea ecosystem. As both predator and prey, it's an important link in the food chain, feeding on small fish and crustaceans while being hunted by larger predators like deep-sea anglerfish. The vampire squid's bioluminescent abilities also make it an important part of the ocean's lightscape, influencing the behavior of other animals that rely on light to communicate and navigate. Unfortunately, the deep-sea habitat of the vampire squid is facing numerous threats, from climate change to pollution and overfishing. As we strive to protect these ecosystems, we must also recognize the intricate relationships between species like the vampire squid and their environment. By studying these creatures and their habitats, we can gain a deeper appreciation for the complexity and beauty of the natural world. For example, researchers have found that the vampire squid's bioluminescent spots are not just used for communication, but also to attract prey in the dark depths of the ocean. This unique adaptation has led scientists to study the evolution of bioluminescence in other deep-sea creatures, and how it contributes to the diversity of life on our planet. In conclusion, the vampire squid is an extraordinary example of evolutionary adaptation and ecological resilience. Its unique features and behaviors have allowed it to thrive in one of the most hostile environments on Earth, and its importance to the deep-sea ecosystem cannot be overstated. As we continue to explore and learn about this mysterious creature, we're reminded of our responsibility to protect the delicate balance of our planet's ecosystems. That's all for today's Nature with Aristotle. Remember to like, share and subscribe, and until next time, may your curiosity about the natural world continue to flourish.